In this video, we will walk you through the process of depositing funds into your IX Basic Trading account on IX Broker using the desktop platform. Step 1. Access the deposit section. After logging into the IX Basic platform, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Deposit. This will take you to the deposit page. Step 2. Select your deposit method. At the top of the page, you will see the available deposit methods. Choose your preferred funding method. For example, if you would like to deposit USDT via the BEP20 network, click on the corresponding option. Step 3. Enter the deposit amount. In the designated field, enter the amount of USDT you wish to deposit. Once you have entered the amount, click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Obtain the deposit details. On the next page, your deposit information will be displayed. The wallet address will be provided in two formats: as a QR code, as a copyable wallet address. You can either scan the QR code using your mobile device or copy the wallet address directly. Step 5. Complete the transfer. After copying the wallet address, log into your cryptocurrency wallet or exchange account. Paste the provided address into the withdrawal section, enter the desired amount, and confirm the transaction. Please ensure that you are using the correct network before submitting the transfer. Step 6. Account funding. Once the transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain network, the deposited funds will be automatically credited to your IX Basic Trading account. You can then view your updated balance directly within the platform. Depositing funds into IX Basic is a quick and straightforward process. Simply select your preferred deposit method, enter the amount, transfer the funds to the provided wallet address, and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Your trading account will be funded automatically, allowing you to start trading without delay.